If you want to become rich in crypto, then learn how to buy crypto coins and tokens not listed in exchanges. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use MetaMask to buy coins not listed on exchanges, how to add network to MetaMask, and everything you need to know around MetaMask. Okay, we'll be focusing on the four aspects: how to download and install MetaMask, how to navigate MetaMask, the features and functionalities of MetaMask, how to use MetaMask to buy coins, crypto, new tokens that are not listed on Binance, Bybit, and other exchanges, and how to add blockchain network to MetaMask. Okay, let's get at it. Downloading and installing MetaMask. To download MetaMask, there are two approaches. The first approach is you downloading the extension. Like that means you are using a laptop, a PC, and you want to have a MetaMask downloaded and installed. So in that case, you download what we call the extension. Okay, go to metamask.io. Go to MetaMask. Okay, metamask.io. So it will bring up MetaMask. Uh, MetaMask. Okay, to bring up MetaMask extension. Okay, so this is the extension now. So this is the extension. Okay, this is the extension. Now we want to download this extension. Then let's put download. For those on PC, yeah, for those on PC. Okay, let's do directly download MetaMask. You can just type on a browser download MetaMask. Okay, so it will bring up this. Then click on metamask.io. Okay, so for those using PC, you need the MetaMask extension. Okay, which you add. You can see I've added it. I've downloaded it and added it on I've set it up on my PC on the Edge browser. Okay, so there are browsers that are supported. Okay, so that means you can download MetaMask on Chrome. You can download it on Firefox. You can download it on Brave browser. You can download it on Edge and Opera. So I'm currently using Brave. I will click on Brave. Okay, I will stop here. Then I'll come back to this again. So on the other hand, if you are using a smartphone, you can go, if it is Android, if it's an Android device, you can go to Play Store and click on MetaMask. Okay, then it will come up, it will bring up MetaMask application. Okay, which is what we have here. Okay, so look at it, MetaMask application. You install it and that will be all. Also, if you are using iOS, that is, if you are using an iPhone, the same thing. Go to App Store and type MetaMask, and you follow the guide for a successful download. All right, now how to set it up. Let's go back to the extension because we are using PC. Let's go back to the extension. I'm on the extension now, and we'll click on. So we are using this. We'll click on Brave browser. Then you click on Add to Brave. Okay, when you add to Brave, I've already added it. That's why it's saying remove. When you add to Brave, it will appear here. Okay, when it appears here, you click on no, it will not be pinned. You click on, when you click on pin, it will appear on top of. Like you can see this extension. So let me click on pin. You see it will appear there. Okay, now that it has appeared, let's set it up. So to set it up, you click on this. It will even load. Once it loads, so these are some of the steps that you need in setting it up. Okay, so the first step, the first step is create a new wallet. So it will show you this. So let's get started. Trusted by millions, MetaMask is a secure wallet making the world of Web3 accessible to all. So you click on I agree to MetaMask terms of use. You click on create a new wallet. Create a new wallet. Then once you click on create a new wallet, so it will take you to step 2, create your password. Okay, in this case, you create a password. Ensure that you have alphanumeric password, like you have words and you have figures, and some will be capital letter, some will be small letter, and you have figures. Okay, to create a strong password, you need a mixture of uppercase, lowercase, number, and sometimes symbols. Then you click on create. Once you have entered your password, click on create. Then it will take us to step 3. Secure your passphrase. Passphrase is your access to your asset. passphrase is your access to your assets. Okay, so that means whoever owns your whoever knows your passphrase has access to your money, has access to your coins. So this must be written down in a secure place. You must not put it online. Write it down in a secure place. It's usually 12 words. Write it down in a book and put it in a safe, write it in many places, but ensure that nobody has access to it. So you can see for this setup or for this test, we have 12. Okay, we have 12 words. So I've written it down, write it down. So the next step will be required, enter the word in their numbers. Okay, you can see MetaMask will show you to set it up, it will show you to confirm if you have written it down. So look, they will write all of some of the word in the passphrase, and some will be omitted. You are required to enter it or enter the omitted word. For example, the third word is net. I'll write net here. The fourth word is December. I'll write December here. And the eighth word is slogan. I'll write slogan there. Okay. And that will be all. Your account will be created. Once you have a created account, it will look this way. Okay. So it will look this way. Okay. So to have a better view, we will expand this, how to expand the view. We expand it so that it can cover everywhere. Then we will know everything. We see everything in a broader perspective. Okay, so this takes us to the second item in this video, which is how to use MetaMask. How to use MetaMask. How to send and receive a MetaMask. Okay, so this MetaMask. When you see on this when you click on token is where all the coins, all the tokens you have, this is where it will appear. Okay, for example, now if I want to if I want to add a new token, say I want to add a new token, okay, to this list, I'll click on token. Okay, I'll click on import tokens. So I'll just paste the contract address. I'll paste the contract address. Okay, I'll click on custom token. I'll paste the address here. Then click on next. You can see this is Pepper. I'll click on import. So that means I now have two coins. I have Ethereum and I have Pepe. Okay, the next thing is the next item is NFT. If you have an NFT or a collection of NFT, it will appear on the NFT tab. Then the next is activity. Activity is to help you, is to track your transaction. Okay, whatever transaction you have done, it will appear in activity, and you can track it and know the transaction that has taken place. Okay, so the next that is important to us is send. Click on send. When you want to send money to somebody, you click on send. Okay, let's say note that this Ethereum network. So if you are sending coin to somebody, you must use the Ethereum network. The person must send an address that is compatible to Ethereum. Okay, let's assume we are sending Ethereum to somebody. Okay, now I'm just using this as an example. This is not the address anyway. So in this case, okay, in this case, I'll type the amount. You can see asset. This is assets. We have two assets. We have Ethereum and Pepe. Okay, and you type the amount here. How much do you intend to send? Let's say I want to send 0.2 Ethereum. You can see. Then it will estimate the gas fee. And I'll click on next. Can click on next. Also, when I click on next, it will show you all the details, where I'm sending from and where I'm sending to, the address I'm sending from. Okay, look, the address I'm sending from and the address I'm sending to. Then to show you the gas fee that I need, you can click further to see the gas fee that is required that is required for this transaction. Okay, then once you are done, you click on confirm. So at this, you can see I don't have enough ETH to make the transaction, and I'm not going to make the transaction because of I'm not ready. So, but this is just to demonstrate to you how to use it. Okay, so this is how to send. Okay, and also how to receive. To receive an asset Ethereum, copy your address and send it to the person that want to send you Ethereum. Okay, yeah. So this takes us to this third item, which is how to add a new network. Okay, on MetaMask, you can add different network. When you click on this place, you see different network. We have Ethereum mainnet, we have linear mainnet, we have ZK Sync, ZK Sync era mainnet, mode network, and a lot. So how do you add a network that is not here? Okay, how do you add it manually? So you click on add network. So let me explain something. We have mainnet and we have testnet. Mainnet are blockchain that are live, while testnet are blockchain that are not yet live. They are undergoing test. So we call them mainnet and testnet. So to add a mainnet, a network, to your MetaMask, click on add network. So when you click on add network, you see a lot. Okay, these are some of the coins. I mean, these are some of the blockchain network that we have. If you want to add this, you can click on add. When you go back, to bring up this, you click on confirm. So it has added. Okay, it has added. But what we are interested in, we want to add manually. We want to add, maybe what if we don't see them here and we want to add manually? You click on that, and you go to add a network manually. Then you search. Okay, there's one here, how to add mantle network. Okay, it's an article how to add mantle network and ensure that the source is genuine. This CoinGecko, and that's why I'm using their article as a guide. So we want to add mantle network. So what you need is the details of the network. So in this case, this is details of the network. Now, when you go to MetaMask, you see when you go to that place went before, you will see a network name, new RPC URL. So let's go to that article. You see all this there. So you copy all of them one after the other, and insert it here and paste. Okay, you paste here. Go again. Copy the next one. You paste. You paste there. Okay. Chain ID is 5,000. You can write that manually. Okay. This is MNT. MNT. Okay. Then the next one we need to copy is the Block Explorer URL. We copy this. So we copy this and insert and paste there. So let's scroll up. Okay. So we paste here. Then we click on save. Okay. Now that we click on save, now, okay, look, we have Mantle network, we have added Mantle network. So this simply means that we can copy this address and send to somebody, and we will be able to receive Mantle on this network. We'll be able to receive Mantle on this network. Somebody can send us MNT token and receive it on this network. So when you click, you see you see all the network that you have, including the ones we recently added, which is Avalanche network, C chain, and Mantle network. Okay, so this will take us to the last items that we need to consider: how to buy new coins. How to buy new coins on using MetaMask. How to buy coins that are not listed on exchange using MetaMask. So what you need to do is to go to a site called Uniswap, uniswap.org. On uniswap.org is a decentralized exchange for Ethereum or EVM. Ethereum virtual machine, like all tokens, smart contract built on Ethereum network or Ethereum blockchain. All their tokens you can buy them. You can buy them on Uniswap. Okay, so this is the website. You click on launch app. Go to launch app. So and the next thing you need to do once it is up is to connect. You can see that mine is automatically connected. It's automatically connected. This connect. Okay, so I have automatic connection. I may decide to disconnect it. Okay, so I've disconnected it. So what I need to do now is to connect. Let me click on connect. You can see that I've connected. Okay, so what I'll be doing here, is to buy a coins from let me reconnect the wallet. Okay. Oh, okay. Make sure this is very important. Make sure you switch, because we are using Ethereum, not Mantle. Okay, you always switch to Mantle network. Okay. We have switched to Mantle network. So we are going to be demonstrating this with Pepe. Okay. To do that, go to CoinMarketCap and click on and type Pepe. Okay, you can do it this way. Type Pepe. When you type Pepe, you can see this Pepe coin. So it will come up. It will come up. It will show you all the details and all the data that you need to know about Pepe, and where you can buy it on a decentralized exchange. Okay, you can see market. Let's go to market and see where you can buy Pepe. You can buy Pepe on Binance, OKX, on Bybit, KuCoin, and so on and so forth. But we are interested in buying it. Okay, you can see Uniswap. You can buy it on Uniswap. How do we do that? Go down, scroll down, and copy the contract address. So this is the contract address. I'll copy the contract address. Then I'll go to Uniswap. So I'm on Uniswap. So I'm going to convert. Let's say I'm converting 0.5 ETH, and I'm converting it to Pepe. So I'll click on select token. I'll paste the contract address that I just copied. You can see it has brought up Pepe, because you see. So that means 0.5 Ethereum will give us okay, 249 million Pepe. Then you click on. So we don't have enough, but once we have enough Ethereum, you click on it will show you to confirm to swap. Click on swap, and you confirm your transaction, and that is how to do that. So once you have made profit, you do the opposite. So in this case, you are swapping from Pepe to Ethereum, and once you swap, you may even decide to not to swap to Ethereum, you decide to swap to a stablecoin, either there USDC or USDT. You can decide to do this. Okay, you may decide to do this. So let's say we have 200 million, okay, 200 million Ethereum. So you swap it to USDT, and you are good. You made your money on it by buying, okay, and selling coins not listed on exchanges. All right, that is all. If you like this video and you find it very informative and helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel. Kindly click on in like click on the notification bell, so that whenever we publish new video, you can get notified. Also, there's a video up here on how to make passive income. Kindly check it up, and you learn a lot from me. Also, to join, you can join our community Coin Dollar, where we give alpha and signals. Check the link in the description section. All right, bye.